welcome back to my channel. My name is Daria Lachey for those of you that are new. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back to the channel. Glad to see you here. And in this video, I am going to be doing a maintenance vlog, specifically a maintenance vlog for my upcoming birthday. It is August 12th and my birthday is on August 22nd, and today will technically start my maintenance vlog. I'm going to be going to the beauty supply store to get some hair. I'm going to be doing my own hair, and I'm also going to get my nails done on the 18th next week. So this video will be broken up into like certain specific days. So I'm going to be doing that. I'm going to be getting my feet. Well, actually, I think I might do my own feet too. And I'm going to be going to get my eyebrows waxed, and then I'm going to dye my eyebrows. And I'm also going to be going to find an outfit to wear as well. So stay tuned for the video. I will be doing a birthday vlog in my next video. So after you watch this video, make sure you subscribe to stay tuned for that video. And yeah, the first stop most likely is going to be the beauty supply store to get some hair. Okay, y'all, so just left the beauty supply store. I'm gonna show y'all quickly what I got, and y'all can see a little mid sneak peek of what I'm gonna do. So the first thing, I just got these little I don't even know what these things are called, basically the little wraps to like lay your edges, whatever. I got those. I also got this beeswax braiding gel, which I've never used before, but I've saw a lot of people review it. Change locations, but the next thing I got was this eyeliner, this black liner to line my lips for my lip gloss. And then I got some lash glue because I also got some eyelashes. I've never used this brand before. I just was reading it and it looked good, so we'll see. And then I also got this little long bonnet for braids or twist or whatever to make sure they stay fresh. And then I got some sheen spray for the end when I finish it. And then the last two things that I got was this blonde, as y'all can see, expression braiding hair. I think does this say blonde? It looked blonde, so it better be blonde. I don't know what type of blonde it is, but it's 613 in the color. That's the color. And then I also got some Freetress blonde water wave hair. I'm gonna be doing singless, I don't know how to pronounce it, but that type of hairstyle with like bohemian style. So y'all gonna see it later. But yeah, I got three packs of these and then just this one pack. So that's everything. I think that's everything. Is that everything? Yeah, that's everything I got from the beauty supply store. And now we are about to go to TJ Maxx to find me a dress. I really want to wear a pink dress. I'll see y'all at the next location. What's up, you guys? It is probably a week later from when I went shopping from my previous video. It is currently Monday the 14th, and I am about to move along with my maintenance vlog. My birthday is August 22nd, so it's coming soon, and I am about ready to do this hair because I will be going out in 4 days. August 18th or 19th is when I'm gonna have my birthday celebration. My birthday is on a Tuesday, so I don't know if I'm gonna vlog that or not. I might vlog that for like my next vlog. But yeah, y'all, I went to the store. I never found an outfit, which I actually, I forgot. I actually ended up ordering an outfit off Amazon. So it delivered today. I'm about to go to my mailbox and pick it up. I don't think I'm gonna try it on, and I don't know if I'm gonna show y'all. It's a pink dress. It's very, 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 very freaking cute. But yeah, let's go to the mailbox and actually get that package. So I'm back from getting my little Amazon package, and I've decided that I'm not going to show it in this video. So if you want to see how that came out, that little outfit, then stay tuned for my next vlog because it's gonna be in that vlog. I'm gonna show y'all a little bit of inspiration for this hairstyle. They're gonna be like this color kind of, but instead they're gonna be, and then like this obviously goddess style. But a little bit thinner than that, more like this thin. I got a lot of different inspirations.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want.
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no baby. In the meantime,
Decide for what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to compose. Send me your location, let's ride the vibrations. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fall with you, but this is no.
Hey you guys, it is 10:42. It's Friday the 18th. I'm gonna have to make this quick because I don't got much battery in this camera. I'm gonna have to probably use my phone to vlog, but I'm on the way to my nail appointment. As y'all can see, I cannot wait. I'm about to be all up in the camera, but yeah, I'm gonna show y'all the inspo somewhere right here on the screen of what I want to get done, and then I'm gonna show y'all the finished product. So yeah, it's about a 10-minute drive, and I'm gonna hit y'all back. Okay guys, so I am back for my nail appointment. In total, it took about 2 hours to do my nails, and when I tell y'all she ate these nails, she really ate. I showed y'all the inspo picture earlier, and this is how my nails came out. I'm gonna flip the camera so y'all can see it way better. This is how the nails came out. She did such a good job, y'all. I'm literally so happy. This is the other hand. It turned out so freaking cute. So now that my hands are done, I need to do my toes. So I'm going for like a pinkish color. It's not quite the same pink as the one on my nails, but hopefully it's gonna be close enough and you won't be able to tell. Also, I am using, for my big toe, so I can get that square shape, I'm going to be using a, like the press-on nail. This brand is by Kiss. And I'm going to just glue them on and like just paint them. So we're going to do my nails, and that's probably honestly going to wrap up this little maintenance vlog. And then stay tuned for my actual vlog of just us doing some random birthday stuff in the city of Chicago.
Bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Whichever one is in the hassle. piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9. Oh, I get you home by a decent time. Sipping something, bumping, being hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away. Take a car, take a plane, baby, whichever is faster. Oh, whichever one is in the hassle. Oh, damn, yeah, man. Oh, never knew, no, I never knew that you be a freak and a friend too. Yeah, you into everything I'm into. Oh, I got something that I could lend you. Oh. A piece of mind, baby. Come and get a piece of mind. Yeah. Say you gotta work from 3 to 9.